My name is Andy Hill, and on behalf of the Board of Education, happy to welcome you here tonight to this exciting evening. All of our board members are here. We want to thank all of you for joining us to be in attendance this evening. It's been quite the process to get to where we are tonight, and we're so excited to finally be able to show the building off to the community and to have students start in here next week. I think that we've delivered on quite the promise that was made to the community back when we were showing what it was that could be built. And there's a lot of people here tonight that we're thankful for their partnership with us, including our architectural team from Halliburton Root and BSHM Architects that are here. Our construction manager team from Hammond Construction, they are here as well. We had a lot of help along the way to even be able to get this facility in this spot. Dave Kaufman has been a big, longtime friend of our school district, helping us acquire real estate to make things like this possible. Dave played a huge role in being able to secure the properties here that we were able to then build upon. The Schaefer family worked with us on this as well. And we want to thank, most importantly, you, the Wadsworth community. You gave us an awesome responsibility to be able to work with your dollars to create something for our students, not only now, but future generations. You know, this work started back in long before probably 2016, but in 2016, we formed a committee of interested people in our community that wanted to talk about the future as Central Intermediate School, recognizing that the oldest part, 1907, many additions, all of our other new buildings. Many of you that are out here took part in those meetings, starting in November of 2016. Recommendations were made to the board in November of 2017 that included building a new 5th and 6th grade school building on a different location than the current school, and within the realm of what could be done with how we can dispose of property through the Ohio Revised Code, finding a way to sell the current intermediate school to somebody that would use it for community use, at minimum, the O.J. Work Auditorium. Happy to say that if you stand behind us, we can see that we clearly achieved that first goal. And we are also finalizing and close to closing on the sale of the current building to the Wadsworth Square Commons, with many community use purposes that they'll be doing in there, including preservation of that auditorium for community use. So we're excited that we were able to make that work of that committee come to life here. It seems like it wasn't long ago, 2 years ago, we were standing here and everybody got a little scoop of dirt to take, recognizing our groundbreaking. And it's been quite a whirlwind to get to where we are now. But again, we are so thankful for the opportunity to have engaged in the process that we did to be able to have this school constructed for our kids. At this time, I'd like to invite our board president, Ms. Amanda Gordon, to speak.
Thank you, Dr. Hill. On behalf of the Board of Education, we just really want to welcome you all here tonight for this very exciting endeavor, seeing this brand new school getting opened. I want to thank the Marching Grizzlies back there and Mrs. Heyer for taking some time out of your practice schedule to be there with us tonight. I got a sneak peek of their performance coming up next Friday night. Make sure you get out to Arkwright and see it. They're absolutely wonderful. So just like Dr. Hill said, this has been truly a community effort. And again, on behalf of the board, I just want to thank all of you for everything that you've done. And I'm sorry if my voice is a little shaky. I'm just very excited tonight. So I also would like to thank the faculty and staff and everybody that donated their time to give input on this new building and, you know, just make it the best that it could be for the educational opportunities for our kids for the future. So thank you. Thank you to all of them as well. I want to thank Dr. Hill for his incredible leadership through this entire process. Mr. Beeman, where's Mr. Beeman? If there's anybody that can stretch $1, it's this guy right here. but for managing the finances all along and making this work to the best of our ability. Thank you for that. Where's Mr. Moore? Mr. Moore, thank you. I don't think there's anybody that knows every nook and cranny of this place as well as he does, right down to every last chair, right, Mr. Moore? So, finally to the students. Let me see the hands of all the incoming fifth grade students. Raise your hand. Let's see you. Jump up and down. There you go, if I can't see you. All right. All right. And not to be outdone, let me see the hands of all the sixth grade students. Raise your hand, jump up and down. All right. This, you guys, is all for you. Everything we do is for you kids. And I just want to remind you that you guys are both very special classes because you are truly and the one and only first fifth grade class in this new building and first sixth grade class in this new building. So give yourself a round of applause. So we're really excited to see what you do in this new building, and you're going to be setting the standard for your younger brothers and sisters, your younger cousins and neighbors and friends as they go through this building for generations to come. So we're excited to see what you do. So thank you. And now I'd like to turn it over to Mr. Cobb. Go Grizzlies. Thank you.
Good evening. Thank you for being here. I also brought my dirt from 2 years ago. And I remember, talking at groundbreaking about just what we were envisioning in this project. And today that has arrived. From the start, we turned it off. From the start, we believed that this new school would be even better suited to serve our intermediate age students. And standing here now, I know we were right. A year and a half long design process brought us together, our staff, our students, architects, community members, and when the shovels hit the dirt, it continued through the construction, and now here we are. Our staff not only shaped the design, but also made thoughtful choices along the way to ensure that this building would meet the needs of every student who walks through its doors. From the learning stairways in both wings to the flexible classroom spaces, their fingerprints are on every detail. Over 3 years ago, our students brought incredible ideas to the table, from the importance of natural light to safe and engaging playground spaces. Today, these ideas aren't just on paper, they're all around us. In fact, many of the students who helped design this school will get the opportunity to see their work come to life. They also have siblings, family members, friends who are going to benefit from their input. Let's recognize our students one more time. It's truly all about our students. When we broke ground, I said I couldn't wait to see the students, teachers, and staff fill this building with laughter, learning, and creativity. Today, that has come true. Our classrooms will be alive soon with energy. Our hallways will hum with curiosity, and our shared spaces, like the extended learning areas and courtyard, will be places where ideas continue to grow. This school is more than bricks and mortar. It's a place where young learners will discover who they are, develop new skills, prepare them for opportunities ahead. It's a resource for our community and a promise to our children that we will give them the very best. Tonight, we celebrate not just the opening of a building, but the start of a new chapter in Wadsworth's educational story. I want to thank everyone who played a role in bringing this school to life. Our Board of Education, district leadership, architects, construction team, staff, students, parents, and community members. This is truly the result of all of us working together. I'm proud of what we've built. I'm even more proud of what will happen inside these walls for generations to come. Thank you for being here to celebrate this special moment. Couple additional details. As I was getting ready, I was thinking about what you need to know when you go into the school. So after we conduct the ribbon cutting ceremony, you're going to have an opportunity to walk through the school. Inside, you will see the academic wings, hallways, cafeteria, gym, restrooms, courtyard, and other areas of the building. You're going to find some signs on doors of areas where we'd like you to avoid. Also, we have 2 classrooms that will be opened, B102, which is the 5th grade first floor, and A206, which is 6th grade, 2nd floor. Please be respectful of those areas. Please don't touch items in those rooms as teachers have been setting up. Lastly, our playground is still off limits, and we ask that you avoid walking on the straw as we're trying to grow some grass. All right, that's it for me. Back over to Dr. Hill.
Thank you, Mr. Cobb. So we have a couple different pictures we're going to do before we officially cut the ribbon with 3 different groups. So the first, we're going to ask the architectural and construction manager teams to join us, the board. And then the second, we're going to ask if we have teachers for the building to come up and join. And then the last, we're going to ask for kids to join, and that's when we'll actually do the ribbon cutting.